How you guys doing today? Today we're going to be taking a look at penguins. That's right, penguins. From the book Did You Know About Zoos? Did You Know About Aquariums? A flip book written and illustrated by Tim Thomas. Hey, why should you never write a book on penguins? Well, it's a lot easier to write one on paper. Hey, more funny stuff and a lot of facts coming right up.
Croc stories! Hey, Croc, tell us a story!
Penguins are birds that can't fly. They swim. Move over, Michael Phelps. Hey, emperor penguins are the largest of all penguins, easily recognized by their black cap, blue-gray neck, orange ear patches and bills, and yellow breasts. There is a thick layer of fat or blubber under their skin that helps them keep warm. Emperor penguins spend most of their lives at sea, using their wings as flippers. They march from the sea to their nesting grounds as far as 70 miles inland. Emperor penguins, while standing up, rock backwards on their heels while holding their toes up. They support themselves by their stiff tail feathers that sometimes freeze to the ice. So to be cold as a penguin's tail is very, very, very cold. Did you know emperor penguins gather in a group called a huddle? No, not that huddle. This huddle. They huddle together to keep warm on the Antarctic ice. The winter nights are long and the periods of darkness can last more than 20 hours. The male may spend most of a 24-hour period sleeping to conserve energy. He doesn't get to swim or eat for 60 days. His one and only job is to keep the egg warm off the icy ground. This is called incubation. He does this by keeping the egg on the tops of his feet and under his belly feathers. During this time, he can lose up to half his body weight. Wow, talk about a diet. After the egg is hatched, the female returns to find the male and her new baby. The male gives the chick over to the female and heads out to sea to eat. Both care for the baby until it's able to enter the water to find food on its own. The Spanish word for penguin is pingüino. And now it's time for my favorite part of the video, Croc jokes. What do you call a cold penguin? A bird. And hey, why did the penguin cross the road twice? To prove he isn't a chicken.
Oh, that's a good one.
Back to the story. The male emperor penguin is called a cock, and he stands 40 inches tall, which is about how tall you are when you're 5 years old. And he weighs 85 to 90 pounds, and that's about how big you are when you're 10 years old. The female emperor penguin is called a hen, and she will mate with only one male during the mating season and will lay only one egg. A baby emperor penguin is called a chick or a fledgling and is gray in color when it's born. Other family group names are colony, rookery, parade, or parcel. And the sound a baby emperor penguin makes is called a bleat. Be aware and care. Emperor penguins face a number of threats, including destruction of nesting habits, competition with fishermen for fish and shrimp, and introduced predators such as rats, dogs, and foxes, which eat penguin eggs and their young. You can show you care and help protect the emperor penguins by making others aware that the greatest potential threat to emperor penguins is extreme climate change. And hey, did you know emperor penguins can dive up to 1,700 feet deep? And that's today's story. I hope you enjoyed it. And by the way, why do penguins always carry fish around in their beaks? Because they don't have any pockets. Hey, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And remember, there's 31 more stories in the book Did you know about zoos? And did you know about aquariums? All the information's down below. And I'm off, checking out and finding when the next great story might be. So until then, you guys have a good day, okay? Woohoo!